Metabase is a business analytics platform designed to help teams analyze data and create interactive dashboards. It's an open-source tool that offers a variety of features aimed at making data more accessible and understandable for non-technical users. One of its key advantages is its ease of use. You don't need to be a data expert to set it up or generate reports. You can connect it to different databases, like MySQL, PostgreSQL, and others, without much hassle. The interface is straightforward, and creating dashboards is as simple as dragging and dropping different metrics into a report. However, while it's beginner-friendly, Metabase does have some limitations. Advanced analytics features aren't as robust compared to some of its competitors, like Tableau or Power BI. For teams that need complex data analysis capabilities, you might find yourself wanting more depth. Additionally, the customization options are somewhat limited when compared to more premium platforms. The dashboard features are one of Metabase's strengths. They're clean and intuitive, allowing users to quickly filter and drill down into data. You can build custom queries with SQL or use the Visual Query Builder for those who are less familiar with coding. But be aware, if you need to do any kind of heavy-duty custom analysis, you might hit a wall with Metabase tools. One of the best things about Metabase is its open-source nature. This means you can host it yourself for free, which is a major plus for small businesses or startups that are looking to save on costs. However, if you don't want to deal with the setup and maintenance, Metabase offers a cloud-hosted option, though it comes with a price tag. The cloud option gives you automatic updates, but you'll need to pay for it based on your usage. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Givemeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. In conclusion, Metabase is a solid tool for businesses that need a straightforward, affordable way to visualize data. While it's not as feature-rich as more expensive solutions, it's a great choice for smaller teams or those just starting to incorporate data analysis into their workflow. Just be aware that if you need advanced features, you may need to look elsewhere. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on business tools like Metabase.